Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. And now all we have to do is to simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X buttons right next to it, and as you can see, they will disappear. But if you've got this list so wide and you don't want to waste your time on manually removing it, I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data. And as you can see, we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything. I want to remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or 4 weeks, up to you. And right now, if you are ready, all you have to do is to simply tap on clear data. And we got back to the history, which is right now empty, and it means that we just successfully removed everything. So starting from the browsing history and ending on saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.